हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ जेई एडवांस 2018 का प्रॉब्लम ऑन द टॉपिक एरिया अंडर द कर्व। ये प्रॉब्लम बड़ा ही सिंपल प्रॉब्लम था एंड इट वाज अ स्कोरिंग प्रॉब्लम। तो आइए देखते हैं इस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में। So the question is, a farmer F1 has a land in the shape of a triangle with the vertices P00, Q11 and R2, 0. So there is a triangle shaped land that F1 is having. And from this land, a neighbor farmer F2 takes away the region which lies between the sides PQ and a curve of the form y is equal to x to the power n for n greater than equal or n greater than 1. If the area of the region taken away by the farmer F2 is exactly 30% of the area of triangle PQR, then the value of n is. So it's a very simple problem. आइए इसका solution देखते हैं कैसे होगा. So first we'll begin by drawing the triangle because we are given the vertices. So we have P00, Q11 and R2, 0. So on the Cartesian plane, you will get a triangle PQR, which is nothing but the land that is occupied by the farmer F1. Now there is another curve given, which is y is equal to x to the power n, n greater than 1, which you can see is this curve that I have drawn. Obviously, this curve passes through 0, 0 because 0 is equal to 0 to the power n, and also it passes through 1, 1 because 1 is equal to 1 to the power n, right? So it will pass through both of these points P and Q. But the important thing to understand is that all the curves with n greater than 1 lie below the this line PQ, right? And if it was a n less than 1, which means lying between 0 and 1, then in that case it would have gone like this, okay, from the top of PQ, or on or above PQ it would have gone like this as I'm showing. But all the curves which have n greater than 1, which mean it will mean that it is lying below in this form as I am showing in this graph. So this is the curve that is given. We don't know the value of n. It can be 2, it can be 3, or any bigger, higher numbers. So, but the curve will look something like this. Now it is told that the area that is intercepted between PQ line and this curve, which is this area that you are seeing over here, lying between PQ curve and the PQ line, that is the area that has gone to F2, and that area is actually 30% of this triangle area. So based on that, we have to find the value of n. So we will begin by finding out what is PQ. So PQ basically is a line, straight line, which is passing through 1, 1 and 0, 0. So you can simply find out the line equation, which will be y by x is equal to 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 0, which will come to y is equal to x. Even if you don't want to do that, you can simply go and it's a simple triangle, so you can find the area of this triangle that I have drawn here, which is PQM, right? I have just drawn a perpendicular line over here, QM, which intersects the x-axis at M. So this is nothing but a right angle triangle with the height of this triangle being 1 and the base of this triangle also being 1. So the area of this complete triangle PQM will be nothing but half into base into height, which means it will come half into 1 into 1, which is equal to half. And then in order to find the area of this area under this curve PQ, we will have to integrate that uh, curve y is equal to x to the power n between the x limits of 0 to 1 integration. So basically we are doing the definite integral from 0 to 1 of this curve y is equal to x to the power n. So that will give us the area below this curve. And if we know that, we can subtract from the triangle area the area below the curve to get the area which is given to the farmer F2. So that is what you will see being done over here. So area below the line PQ and above the curve is nothing but above the curve y is equal to x to the power n is nothing but area below the PQ line minus area below PQ curve. So we are just going to subtract them and we'll get the area that is in between. Area of triangle PQM minus integral from 0 to 1 x to the power n dx. So area of triangle PQM is nothing but half into 1 into 1, which is nothing but half, and then the integration of x to the power n dx is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and you have to integrate between 0 to 1. You have to take the limits between 0 to 1, which will give you basically half minus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the area that is taken by the farmer F2. So now the total area that was available with the farmer, right? The total area that was available with the farmer, that is nothing but the area of this entire triangle, for which the base is 2, the height is 1. So it will be half into 2 into 1, which means it will come equal to 1. So that is what the total area with the farmer is with the farmer F1 is half into 2 into 1, which is 1. So therefore the percentage area taken by F2 can be written as the area that is taken actually, which is half into half minus 1 by n plus 1, which we just calculated, divided by the total area with farmer 1 into 100, and that is nothing but 30%, right? So then you can do the simple calculations. Half minus 1 by n plus 1 will become 3 by 10, and then if you solve for it, n plus 1 is nothing but 5, and n will be equal to 4. So therefore the answer to this question will be, the value of n is nothing but 4. So hope you enjoyed this problem. This was pretty simple problem. It was a scoring problem to give to boost your confidence basically during the exam. And yeah, obviously you will be, if you score it, it will add to your marks. So with such problems, the idea here is that with the problems that we can do, we must scan through them, and we should must do it. And these kind of problems you can't actually afford to leave, because these are like everybody will be doing it, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. I will be coming up with more problems around IIT Advance, JEE Advance. And so please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned to our channel. Share with your friends, whoever is in need of such content. And soon we will be also starting from the very basic. We will be starting the learning of each of physics and maths both, chapter wise, from very basic and going up to the advanced level. So please stay tuned to our channel, and please subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep enjoying, and have a great day. Thank you.